Welcome, future dentists. Today we'll explore the world of endodontics, the science of saving teeth from the inside. Here's our roadmap: vital pulp therapy, root canal treatment, how to make the right decision, and finally, a quick quiz to test your brain. Vital pulp therapy is all about preserving the pulp when it's still alive and capable of healing. This can include indirect pulp capping, leaving some dentin to avoid pulp exposure; direct pulp capping, covering a small exposed pulp with protective material; partial or full pulpotomy, removing only the diseased part of the pulp. Remember, the goal is to keep your patient's tooth alive and happy. Root canal treatment. When the pulp is irreversibly inflamed or necrotic, we take the RCT road. Steps include diagnosing pulp necrosis, removing the diseased pulp, cleaning, shaping, and disinfecting canals, filling the canals with gutta percha, restoring the tooth with a crown or filling. RCT is the classic way to save a tooth when pulp can't heal. The decision: 2 roads. As a dental student, your job is to choose the right path. Preserve pulp vitality if healing is possible. Perform RCT if the pulp is irreversibly damaged. This decision is the foundation of good endodontic practice. Key tips and scientific info. Quick tips for success. Always perform a thorough clinical and radiographic exam. Know the patient's symptoms, pain type, duration, and triggers. Use proper isolation with a rubber dam. Follow aseptic technique for pulp therapy or RCT. Remember, conservative approach first, invasive only if needed. Summary mind map. Let's recap. Vital pulp therapy, save healthy pulp. Root canal treatment, remove irreversibly damaged pulp. Decision making, key to successful endodontics. Diagnosis and aseptic technique, essential for both approaches. Quiz time. Time to test your knowledge. Which treatment preserves pulp vitality? What is the first step in root canal treatment? When should you choose RCT over pulp therapy? Think you got it? Pause the video and answer. Correct answers are vital pulp therapy, diagnose and remove diseased pulp, when pulp is irreversibly inflamed or necrotic. Congratulations, future dentists! You now know the 2 roads of endodontics and how to choose the right path. Keep practicing and keep those teeth alive and happy.